Hello everyone. The XF325-W controller includes an embedded web server feature that allows you to develop, process, monitoring, and control screens without the need for third-party SCADA software. In this video, I'll show you how to add the required object to start using this functionality. First, go to Application, then right-click it, and select Add Object. From the list of available objects, choose Visualization. Now here, make sure the option to include the standard symbol libraries is enabled, and keep the default settings for the visualization name, which will be the name of the first screen created. Then click Add. The software will then create the visualization object and load the required components. After that, you'll notice that 3 new objects have been added to the project tree. The first one is the Visualization Manager. This is where you can configure several global visualization settings, such as component styles, dialog box settings, default hotkeys, visualization management options, user management settings, font configurations, and other advanced settings. The second object is the web visualization. This section contains the configurations options related to the embedded web server and how the visualization will be published and accessed through a web browser. And finally, the third object is the actual visualization screen. This is where you will create and develop your graphical interfaces. On the side panel, you will find the visualization libraries, which provide a variety of components that can be added to the screen. These include basic objects, common control elements, alarm management controls, measurement and display controls, lamps and push buttons, special controls, date and time controls, symbols, and if you wish, you can also favorite your elements and they will show up in the Favorites tab. Using these components, you can build operator interfaces for monitoring and controlling your application directly from a web browser. In the next videos, I'll demonstrate how to configure some of these components and create practical visualization screens for the controller's embedded web server.